the Republic of Korea, a powerful nation in technology, the center of technology. Sungshin Co. Limited. Since its establishment in 1977, Sungshin Comp has devoted to only one area. Our company has steadily improved in leading technology of manufacturing various compressors used in many industries with its excellent quality and customer services. While its products have rapidly increased its market share in the world, Sungshin is preparing for its second greatest stride, armed with expanded production facilities and technical applications. Moreover, it strives to advance into overseas markets by participating in local and international exhibitions. Technical power. Sungshin operates its own research center, acknowledged by the government, and produces compressors with the ultimate performance through technical cooperation with global companies, such as Germany's GHH Rand, and exporting screw air compressors through overseas partners. In particular, based on many globally accredited certifications and verified technical power, we have enough capacity to develop and suggest special products tailored to customers' needs.
당사의 전 제품은 엄격한 품질 테스트를 통하여 모든 고객들에게 최상의 제품이 공급될 수 있도록 최선을 다하고 있습니다.
Main products. All our products are designed to show their full performance that is able to meet the level of international certifications and standards. The control part, which is in charge of maintaining stable operation and performance, is manufactured for an easy use. Screw air end, that has been ensured for its quality and technical power over the long term, can guarantee the highest level of performance in the world in all aspects, including efficiency and noise control. Oil injection screw air compressor. The optimal design has enabled the parts to be successfully reduced of their weights. Based on low noise and high efficiency, the optimized compressors that are customized to all client sites can be provided. In particular, 420 UT and a new product, 420 UD, are in the zenith of all-in-one compressors as they continue to receive praises from local and overseas clients. In addition, a variety of products from 10 HP to 500 HP, which satisfy different clients' demands, are stably provided. Most of all, each product can be fitted with the VSD type for green energy efficiency, which makes it possible to produce environment-friendly green products that save more than 35% energy. Oil-free screw air compressor. A high degree of clean compressed air is furnished more stably. Its quality has been recognized in many fields, including pharmaceuticals, food, semiconductors, and precision machines. Portable screw air compressor. The VP series guarantees high efficiency, reliability, and a long lifespan. They can be used for various purposes with easy maintenance and usage. They are exported to Australia and other countries, with their excellence acknowledged all over the globe. Production capacity and customer services. In conjunction with the company's growth, many investments and efforts have been made in expanding cutting-edge production facilities and cultivating technical professionals. Those specialized production systems make it possible to secure the provision of perfect products. Through seamless cooperation with each other, all executives and staff members have grappled with many hardships for the past 40 years. As the leading company in the screw air compressor, Sungshin will develop into a global leader. Please come and witness our growth. Sungshin Compressor Company Limited.